What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove your Instagram account from another devices. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to your Instagram like this. After going to your Instagram, you need to click on your profile. You have to go to your profile. After going to your profile, you have to click on this three dot bar icon. Okay, then you have to go to your accounts and center. You have to click on this option. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every step I'm going to show you so that you can remove your Instagram account from another devices. So what you need to do next is click on password and security. You have to click on password and security. You need to click on where you are logged in. So this is how you can see where you are logged in on your Instagram account. You have to click on this option right here. After that, you have to click on accounts and you have to click on this to see. Then here you can see the top device is the current device you are using, and the other devices that your accounts has been logged in, the other person using your account on their devices. So after clicking on this, select device to log out. After clicking on this, you can select that which device you want to log out from your account. After clicking on log out here, okay, after clicking on logout, your account will be logged out from another devices. So this is how you can log out your Instagram account from another devices. I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.